Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental features, kits and assembled kits. Let's get started. What are kits? A kit refers to a group of SKUs that are sold together as a single package. Bundling allows sellers to combine related items, often at a discounted price, offering customers a convenient way to purchase complementary or related goods. Now let's understand how kits are created. To create kits, navigate to Seller Catalog section within the Catalog tab. Click on Kits within the Seller Catalog section. Then click on Create Kit button on the top right corner. Select the seller. Add the details like kit name, SKU code, description. Then add the child SKU with which you want to create a kit. Add their quantities. Further, you can confirm the quantity and have the option to add image for the kit. Once all the necessary information are filled, then click on Create Kit. With this, you have successfully created a kit. Now let's discuss the assembled kits. What are assembled kits? An assembled kit refers to a set of individual SKU that are put together or assembled to create a single unified product. This type of product is often pre-packaged or sold as a unit, containing all the necessary elements for a particular purpose. Now let's understand how assembled kits are created. To create assembled kits, navigate to Seller Catalog section within the Catalog tab. Click on Assembled Kits within the Seller Catalog section. Then click on Create Assembled Kit. Select the seller. Add the details like assembled kit name, SKU code. Here you have to add the barcode of the assembled kit as it is displayed to the users as a single SKU. After adding the barcode, add the description. Add the child SKU with which you want to create an assembled kit. Add their quantities. Cross-check the prices and necessary information. Then click on Create an Assembled Kit. With this, you have successfully created an assembled kit. Once the assembled kit is created, you can further edit the kit, add images, change the item values as well, and save it. And there you have it, the kits and assembled kits feature in Omniful, providing convenience for customers, inventory efficiency, and operational streamlining. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.